Okay, Shishandu, I have made the recording started.
Okay. So first we have to create a database. Okay. To create a database, just use and the database name. First keyword is use, then the database name. Let's give it as PCS MERN stack MERN training. We'll do any performance in this. Okay. And to check where I am right now, like in which database, you have to just use show db. Sorry, show dbs. Let's check. These are my local databases, which you can also see over here. But now what I am using, just click db. Look, I am on the PCS MERN training database, which is not showing over here because MongoDB provide us theory like if you don't have any collection in your database or anything in your database, then you cannot see. Okay, it's not created. So for this reason, we have to like create at least one collection with some. We have to create one table or collection with a field or anything. Okay, let's create a collection first. To create a collection, we have to use db dot create collection with the collection name. Let's give the name as first collection. First collection. Okay. I guess I have some error in create collection. Syntax is not important. You can find any find syntax in Google anytime for any time. db.create collection name. Okay, just use this syntax. db.create selection kept true, size something, and yes, just use this. db.create collection. Now the database name, means the collection name, which will be like in a bracket to give the collection name, which I am giving as a first collection. Comma. I guess by this also I can create a collection. Okay, it's done. Okay, so I have created a collection successfully. Now let's check. Yes, there is a database which is called PCS MERN stack. Okay, first collection. The collection is empty over here, so I have to insert something. To insert a data in our collection, we just have to use db.insert1. Can you see my screen, everybody?
Yes, sir.
db.insert1. There will be key value pairs. Okay, so for the key I am giving like name as my name, then and when you are just remember when you are declaring an object, and these all are object, when you are finding something in key value pairs, you have to understand that this is an object. Okay, to create an object you just have to use comma for the next object, like name. Let's give it age like 12, Now let's give three class, not class, subject as a string, in string, like MongoDB. Domain, let's give JS. Okay, just complete the object and hit enter. Okay, db.collection name, I just forget to enter the collection name. db dot first collection dot insert one, then give the key value pairs like name, MongoDB. After that, what domain will be like JS. Complete the object, enter. Okay, acknowledge true, object ID created. This object ID you will see here. Okay, db.first inserted, one is inserted, so it should shown over here. Let's check what db.first. Right, let's check what is the problem. db.collection dot insert one. Any issue?
So I think it should be in the display.
Yes, yes.
Each should be in the screen.
No, it should work like this actually, but I don't know why it's not working. Let's check. Let's try. Yes, after that, the yeah, should be created. I guess. Okay, I'm not using the database. That's why I have to use the database. Let's see. DB. There is test DB. I'm using on. I'm uh doing the operation on test DB. Wanna see? This is the test DB. This is last one. There is no collection. So first I have to use the use DB. Use DB. Use like PCS MERN stack training. Now I am switched to PCS master training. Now you can see like DB is PCS master 2. Now just I have to enter the same thing. Look, it's done. Now you can see a collection. Look, so the collection is created. Okay. Same thing I can find over using the find keyword over here. Name. Let's give something else. After finding, we'll see the DB is blank because there is no collection with the same name, same same with the same name. But after using it, I can find the DB. find the collection. Okay, so that is the simplest insert operation in our MongoDB. Now let's use the let's see how to update. Same thing will update one. Let's check how to update one. db.collection.update one. Look, this is the syntax. Okay, db.collection.update one, then filter, then update. What we have to update? Same as the same way you are inserting in a document, same way you have to update. db.collection.update one. Set status D and quality. Now check how to find. One is like find by ID and update one is a function. Here's restaurant, update one, name Central Park Cafe, set violation. Look, by the name they are finding this one. Okay, and center set violation violation 3, violation to 3. Now let's check how to do this. Look, they are finding by ID first, and now setting the values what they want to set. Okay, same way we are going to do. First we have to find by ID. db dot collection name FIRST, first collection dot update one. Okay, after that we have to find it by name as the same way they are doing. First we have to create an object underscore ID score ID. Let's keep the same ID over here. I don't know why it's not like cannot paste anything over here. So just find it by name. It will be good for us. Name, dipset. After that, we just have to set the value like this. In an array format, we have to set. Give a comma, start an array. Use the set keyword. And then we just have to change the let's say age to 24, and then the set should be closed. Close the set and also close the bracket. After element list, what is the issue? Let's check. It's not needed actually. I don't know. Okay. I got it. It's the problem. To start this in object. Okay, acknowledge true. Now check. What is this? 23. Okay, after refreshing it will be 24. Check. So update is also done. Now same db dot first collection dot find one by name where name equals to look, I can find this. Okay. After that, we have the another operation which is delete. db dot first collection dot delete one, where name is deleted. Okay, after refreshing you cannot see. So if you have any issue, any problem till now, just ask.
Sir, after the delete, whole data is gone.
Yes, this is the delete function. db dot first collection dot delete one. No, whole collection. No? Let's add 2 or 3 collection. Insert one. Okay. Then one more insert one with a different name. Let's give it set 1, 2, 3, and let's give the age as 24 as the subject. One, 2, 3, 24. Subject as Mongo only. Domain, let's see. What is the issue? There should be 2 data. Okay, let's do it one more time. db dot first collection dot insert one. Let's do. Where is the 96 and 97 one? Okay. db dot first collection dot insert one, and then this after this acknowledge true should generate a document. Oh no, I have to see. Okay, just use the insert menu option. Let's check how to use the syntax of insert menu. db dot insert menu in what MongoDB? I guess by using the array, I will do it. Yes, like this. Document 1, document 2. This one. Same. We'll just have to do nothing. One is this. One is this. Change the insert one to insert many. After that, give a comma after first object, then create the second one, name as said 1, 2, 3, comma, age, let's say, sorry, give it 4, let's say age 25, let's say subject as Mongo database. Now the last one, which is domain. Let's give it chess. My choice. What's the problem with this? I don't know. Yes, it's take a bit time to loading, but it's created actually. So just remove the redundant data because it's same name and same, there's too many data. So I guess because of my net connection, the data created but not shown. So from here, if you have to start look, and there is all of the all of the field except the domain are the primary key of the table. Can you see, like object ID, then the age, then the subject, then also the domain. So you can find it easily, the quick method, just by use find like db dot first collection dot find. Just use the find keyword. Let's see whether it's working or not. Name, and let's give it set string. So can see, but it's not looking pretty. Okay, so look pretty, we just have to use pre double ty, this function. Look, now that I is showing like pt. Okay, the object is showing pty. Okay, to update anything in this object, just use db dot first collection dot update one. Like update one, you have to just specify the name first. Okay, just like the primary key, let's say it, and now just like have to set something, right? So for that I'm using this one. Now set keyword, set the age to 24, close the brackets and the array, and then just hit enter. Okay, I just forget to give the string. Acknowledge true, you will see the 23 will be changed to 24. Okay, so it's working. Now the last one, which is delete one, db dot first collection dot delete one. Let's say delete. What I have to delete? Like it just returned true or false, so nothing to select pretty. So delete is not a function. Everybody remember, delete is not a function. Delete one is the function. Now see, let's see, the two data will remain here. The first will be deleted. Now anyone have any issue? Ask.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, is it possible if I want to delete particular age or subject or domain to remove?
Then you have to use the update one. Okay, by using update one, you can like not delete the field. Actually, you cannot delete a field. you just have to set the value to null. Okay, let's do it. Good question. Set the age to null. If there is, yes, no, that data is not actually available. So first I have to insert the data. Insert one as okay. We'll operate on this collection. Okay. Set value to null. Acknowledge true. Look, the value of age will be null. Got it?
Okay, sir. That means if I created once the field, I cannot delete, but
No,
update it.
no. Yes, you can update it because key cannot be deleted. If you delete a key, okay, it will be a great problem to like when you are using like database and MongoDB and Express.js. Okay, in React.js, what we have to do, we have to like collect the data and map it. Okay, when you will learn React.js, you will see that how to map data and all. So if you just delete a key, okay, it will shut down your total website. Okay,
Okay.
that kind of problem like sometimes occur when we have extra field in some collections, and after some time, like after some time we added a new collection in our what we can say in our collection, but the older collection we don't have that field. So that times in our website crashes. So that is the problem. Like, see, I'm just what I'm telling. Look, there is only 4 field. Can you see? Name, age, subject, and domain. And this will be our primary key, which MongoDB provide us. Okay. Now just add a new field with let's say company. Let's add PCS global. PCS global. Okay. What is the problem? Syntax error. Oh, sorry. I just and let's change some name also. Let's give the name to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert it. Now see, this one collection, this single collection have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, total 6 fields, and this one have only 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this type of things appear when you create like real-time application, real-time software. This kind of things appear very quickly, like very frequently, not quickly actually, very frequently. So that time your front end is just got stuck. So you have to check how to solve it. So that time we use the null value. You can just null the value of this. You can use the company value as null. Then it will not throw any error. Not there will not any problem. Or we have to create API to like in our backend to enter this key to all of this above. Got it?
So we can insert anything. We can insert a file like you have
Yes,
inserted company name.
you can insert a key. You can insert a key in new collection. Means the existing collection. You can insert collection. You can insert the company on this collection too.
Okay, but we can't delete like I want to delete the company name. I don't want my company name. I can delete my the company name.
You cannot now. You cannot delete. Yes, there is an option like unset. You can unset, I guess, but delete. I guess delete is not a good way. Also, if you can find a way to delete, but in MongoDB did not delete any field. It will occur great problem in production actually. So can anyone like tell me like how to insert a new key? Like in this collection, let's say in this collection where I want to insert a key like company, key with the name company. Left hand side, there is a key. You can use Google, no issue. Also, I will use Google for this because syntax is not, I don't remember the syntax all time, every time. So Google is most important thing because searching on Google is important for a web developer actually, for a software developer also. Just tell me how to insert company name like company in this collection. You can use Google. Time start now.
Sir, we can use the db.first collection insert one, then
Okay,
whole
let's try your syntax. db dot first collection
dot insert one,
dot insert one.
and then write the whole name that is there.
By this you will create a different collection. Okay, but I have to create a key in the existing collection, in this collection also. Like let's see, I want the output like this. Fill after domain company, the value will be PCS.
Sir, we can using the object ID, we can do this.
Okay, using the object ID, not only object ID, we can use any key. Okay, so tell me how to know what is your syntax. I'm just deleting from here. Now you have to tell me how to insert new field. I'm calling it as field. These are fields, okay? Like name, age, subject, and domain are fields. This whole thing is a collection, and this whole thing is a table, or this whole thing is one collection, and the whole thing is called our table, and our table name is first collection. Okay, and this is our schema. This is our first object. So I have to update, or like I have to add a field in our existing object. What we have to do? You can use Google, no issue. Use Google and tell me the syntax. Like someone tell me the syntax that I will use, and it will work, and I don't have to use the Google.
Sir, I think so.
Yes, tell me.
db.first collection dot insert one,
Db-
update one.
Update one.
Then we can give that parameter.
Okay, let's pass the parameters name, set. Okay, I collected. Now,
Comma.
I cannot hear you properly.
Sir, comma.
Comma, yes, I gave comma.
Then curly bracket,
$sign, set,
semicolon,
then
again dollar, curly bracket,
yes, curly bracket,
then company, then colon, PCS global. That's closed.
is covered. Now just close the curly bracket and the bracket. Okay,
And let's see.
see whether it's working or not.
The error come.
Oh,
by
sorry, there is
inverted
a issue. I have to, let's see. acknowledge true. So it should insert over here and it will. Okay. So this is the method. So everyone have to think out of the box. Okay. Not what you have, what you know, and what you have to do. This is not web developer do. Okay. The thing you don't know. Okay. You have to do this also. You have to search in Google or anywhere. With my personal experience, I'm sharing something. When I implement Alexa, I implement Alexa skill for my company. That that time there is no actually good documentation. We need like 1 month to study all the documentation in remaining all the documentation in Alexa given us. We create a static first, then we did dynamic. So it's a long procedure. So never lose hope, like there is nothing, cannot do this. So everyone is doing this, so it's easy. No, everyone can do this. You have to just think out of the box. Okay.
Sir,
Now, yes,
sir,
let
I
me take.
given syntax in the chat box. Sir, this syntax is correct. Can you please check and tell me this syntax is correct or not for creating new field?
No, this syntax is not correct because you just use db.your collection. Okay, dot update. It's okay, all right. But after the second bracket, you have to give the specified, like you have to give the object ID or any field to specify the collection. Got it?
Okay, so that means the key pair.
Yes, the key value pair. Like by name, by using this name keyword, I am just like searching this field, searching this document. Okay. So
Okay.
you have to find the document first, then you have to update one. Like, so what is the syntax of finding something? db dot first collection dot find. Now just
Name.
yes, just giving the not only name, you can find it by age also. Okay, let's say age, let's give 24. Okay, this only. Okay, by using age. Yes, we got it, but let's do is pretty. This one. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Got the I got this one. Okay, let's say with 24, there is two collection, but only one collection. No, only one collection of this. Okay. So we just have to like specify the name first. We have to specify the document first, which document you have you want to update by using update one update update one. You just find the document with the name age with the name with the age 24. So which document is with the age 24? This one. Okay. So now we have to change the name of this object. Now we have to specify what you want to change. Set keyword. Set.
One question, sir.
Yes, obviously.
If the age, both age are same, so if we declare the find one coding, so
Yes. So then yes, I'm just showing this one. Let's do okay. I just set name. Let's count. Look, there is two document with the same name. One is this, one is this. Got it? Can you see? Let's delete the rest. With the same name. So if we use find first, what we'll get by name? Let's say what we'll get. we'll get the both document like this. Can you see? And if we use find one, then what will happen? Find one. Now what will happen?
Sir,
I think they remove the pretty, sir.
No, pretty is not issue actually. Oh, okay. By using find one. Okay. So by using find one, we'll just get one object. But by using find, we'll get whole objects, like which matches our like which matches your criteria, like name equals to seat. By using, you can find like name, and if we want to delete update, what will happen? Let's see. Update one with the name. Let's give seat, and sorry, and the domain will change to JavaScript. Okay, change the domain to from JS to JavaScript. Let's see. Acknowledge true. Tell me what will happen. The first one will be changed to JavaScript. Now just change it like statically to JS. Now just use not the like update one, just use update, and let's see what will happen. Then also the first one is changed. Why? Tell me why. Because when we are updating something, okay, when we are updating something in MongoDB, not using any programming language at all, we are just going to update the first document which matches your criteria. And here our criteria is name equals to seat, and which matches your our first document, which is this one. And then they just operate on it. Means this one they just use the find one operator. Okay, they just use the find one operator first in this section. After that, they just set. It is the abstraction from us. Okay, but the main thing is happening over here is this one. Like they are find one, they're using the find one method to find this. So by find one, we are finding this one, right? By the find one method, we are just getting this value, right? Same, they are getting this value, and then they are set the domain name from Java to JavaScript. Got it? That the whole like MongoDB features and functionalities work. Now let's just like, so what we have to do, how we can find this, and how we can change the value I want. There is an option which is underscore ID, and this underscore ID is not changeable. This underscore ID you cannot change. It's always the unique one in your database. So what you have to use? Just have to use db.firstCollection. First collection dot update one, say underscore ID, then object object ID, then the key, which is given over here 631, like next one 63138 BC 8 EE 47 DF 234 FC 4 E 49 B. Got it? Done. Then this one, and after that 20 sentence. Cannot convert undefined to object.
I think curly brackets are missing.
Let's see what is the problem. To find by object ID. Let's see. Oh, okay. Cannot convert identify and undefined to object. Okay. Let's change it to like in Node.js you have to do it like this, but I guess there is a different way to do this. Okay, let's use find.
Sir, underscore
Yes.
ID.
Got it. What is the problem? I'm telling you. Like we are updating something and we are not giving anything. So what they can update? They have nothing to update. So we have to just use the update one method. We have to complete the update one method at least, like comma. If you have to set something, let's open the MongoDB over here. And set
Square bracket.
yes, that's correct. Set like let's say edge. The good part is you don't have to use this set keyword again and again when you are going to use the Node.js. Field names may not start with. Is the problem?
At the starting of the set, that curly bracket, here also opening of square bracket after the comma.
Let's check what is the problem. Set. No, we are doing it properly, right? I guess.
So use the update one. You're using find.
Oh, sorry. Good. Use the update one. Now start. So it's set to 23 again. I guess we set this, yes, change to 23 again. So that's all about this card. So any question, any doubt, ask. And in like Node.js, we can use like this one, find by ID and update. And you have to specify the ID, then you can update. and also like find one and update. You have to specify any field, like just name and update one. You can update this, but for this, when you got like then you got array. Okay, so to like to got the result properly, you just have to use the array key, like object array of the first one, like first document or the second document, by using 0 index or 1 index or 3 index, like this. That's all. I'm like in craft. So any question, any doubt, anything, ask and answer. Then I'm just going to give you after that, I'm just going to give you some practices and you have to do it in front of me. You can use Google. So you guys don't have any doubt, right? Okay, let's start the practice then. So who is the first one to do it?
I already did it with you.
Okay, no, I am just going to give you new like new something. So you have to do it in your PC and have to share your screen. Arpon, let's start from you. Share your screen.
Is it visible, sir?
Okay, let's just create a new DB. Okay, create a new DB and use it first. Okay, show me which DB you are using. This one.
No, sir. It's reading, sir.
Show me now. There is a comment. Wait. There is a command to see one in which.
Oh, yes,
Yes, by this you can see all the databases. I want to see in which DB you are using. There is just a simple command, use DB. Your DB, yes. Enter. Like, look, you are like working on Orpon A caps. Okay. Now, just start create a collection with name like class 1. Create multiple collection.
Multiple.
Can you create multiple collection?
I don't know. What is the code for that?
Yes, you can use Google. No issue.
Is that the code, sir?
Look, this thing is not possible because when you are going to like create a collection, you have to create it one by one, because you have to like operate on one collection. No, you cannot use 3 or 4 collection to operate at the same time. So this is for each function and all. These are all like in JavaScript. When you are using JavaScript or Node.js to operate on your MongoDB, then you can do this properly. But when you are using the MongoDB itself, MongoDB creator, like, then you have to create the collection one by one. So first you have to create one collection, create a collection.
Okay, sir.
Give the name. Okay. Will it work?
No, sir. No.
He didn't see the error. What error it's showing? Throwing. In collection one, you have to just give it in a string. Now hit enter. This DB is already exist with the like Orpon, and Orpon is the same. So you just delete the first one, delete the first DB Orpon, and yes, and no, you have to enter Orpon. Yes, yes, delete.
Not deleting, sir.
Yes, you have read na, to drop Orpon, type the database name Orpon. Type. Now drop database. Yes. Now just refresh it once. Okay, now do it.
So I need to use again the Orpon or
No, just no. Just use the DB keyword first. Let's check whether you are on Orpon or not. Yes, you are on Orpon. Now just create the collection. You don't need to write. Arrow key. Okay. Now just refresh it. Okay. Okay. Yes. Now you can use show DBS. Look, Orpon is present over there.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Now you created a collection. Okay. Just enter 2 documents at a time. Insert 2 documents at a time. And the document type will be like name. Document will contain name and name and class, name and subject at a time. Okay.
Even subject.
Yes, name and subject. You're doing it wrong, but okay, try now. Let's see what will happen.
So we have to insert 2 objects.
You can Google it. I already told you. You can Google it. You can search how to do it, because it's your time. You have to do it. No one will help.
Oh, sorry. That's
You can do it. Let's see. So it's also a
Subject.
so what do you have to do? What do you have to do? Okay, do it. I want multiple collection. I want multiple document. Okay, let's check. Only one document entered. I want multiple. One is with PCS training, one is with like PCS 1 training 1, like this. At a time. Now you have 2 collections. I want 4 to be happen after this, after the operation. Do it.
With a multi insertion, what you tell before.
Yes. Hmm.
What happened?
Tell me, what is the problem? You can find it.
Oh.
Let's check.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Got it. Now after this, anyone? Then they have to perform the update operation. Who is? I'll tell the name, okay, only. Let's start with Kushal Goswami.
Hello, sir.
Just share your screen first.
Sir, is it visible?
Yes, visible.
Sir,
I hope you would already create a collection.
no, sir, just
Okay,
see-
just do it. No, just connect to local database.
the new
No.
connection.
Connect, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Create a database. No, not from here. By using the CMD.
Okay,
Go to CMD.
1 minute, sir.
Yes. Create database.
Show DBS means
Show DB means, tell me
Uh,
what is show. Show means key.
what is the present here in the
Yes,
database?
what is
Admin.
present over here will be shown through your console.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So
So
you
how
have to just create a database. He already did it, Arpon, and I also do it like 2 times.
okay, sir, 1 minute.
You can Google it. There show the procedure. Search Google properly. Right there in CMD.
Hmm.
Go to your search bar. Yes, in CMD. MongoDB. MongoDB using CMD. Yes. Now let's check. Now let's study. So I have to teach you how to Googling.
Sir, use the database name.
Do it. I cannot know. I don't know anything. Okay. Show me in which DB you are working. No, from the CMD. Hmm. 3 DBs are showing here. Why not the 4th one you just created? My collection. Tell me.
Uh,
At the top of the class, I just mentioned. Why the 4th one? Like what to just create is not showing. Tell me, tell me, tell me.
I forgot it.
Got it. Wonderful. Look, until or unless you have at least one collection in your database, MongoDB does not permit you to show your database. Got it?
Yes, sir.
বাংলায় বলবো?
না না স্যার ঠিক আছে।
হ্যাঁ। Now do it.
First create a collection.
Yes. First check in which database you are using. How to check?
Sir, I'm using the
Yes, you are using the MongoDB, I know, but in which database you are going to perform the operation?
say already if I use my collection my database created.
Database
So
created, okay. Got it.
so then using the db dot
I got
collection.
it. I got it. By using the db dots collect like this, you can do this. Tell me in which database you are working. You can search it on Google.
Uh,
I'm
sir,
not good.
my collection database. My database name is my collection.
Okay. Okay. Database name is my collection. Show the database name in the console. You will see the like guide. Show DBS. Search it properly. How to show database which I am using. No. It will not work. Search in Google properly. How to show the database I am using. How to show the database I am using or on use. In MongoDB using
Sir, so DBS.
show DBS, you will find all the databases.
Uh,
Just using the DB keyword. Go. DB. Yes, enter. Got it?
yes, sir.
So, how many times I have to say this? Tell me. The simplest one. Okay. Now create a collection over there. Do it. DB comma. Okay, do it. Really?
So I have created the
You have
database
created
name.
the what?
Sorry, sir.
You have created the database.
Database. Huh?
Now you have to create a collection on the database. How to do it?
DB dot my collection.
My collection. Really?
Then using the parameters.
Using parameter, okay. What will happen then? DB my collection. DB dot. You are seeing it actually, but you are ignoring. Can I say?
So I have passed the parameters actually. Name.
How? What will happen with the parameters?
It will show the collection.
Hmm?
That means the objects.
Okay. Do it. Do it. What you wanna do? Do it now. Do it. Let's see. You did not complete the string.
Oh, yes.
Okay, complete it. Hit enter. Let's see.
Type error.
Yes, type error will show. I know.
DB
You don't have that collection also, bro. db.my collection. This is your database name. And you are using like db.my collection means my collection.my collection.
Oh, I have not created.
No, you have not created the collection. You have to create the collection first. Create the collection. Show the syntax now. Show the syntax. On the definition, first line is the syntax. db dot create collection C caps. Then the collection name on string. Give a collection name on string. String first. Close it,
And
close it, close it. Now hit enter. Now go to your MongoDB compass. Refresh on the left hand side. Yes, yes, yes. On the top bar, top bar, top bar. DBS collections, 3 DBS, 3 collections, then refresh button, right side, right, yes, this one. Look, there is a my collection. Open my collection from left side, left hand side, from your left hand side, yes. This is, go to Kushal. There is nothing. Now insert a document. My collection is your DB. You have to give the collection name. O caps. How we can be like, how we can do it wrong when you are seeing the syntax in your left side? Pay attention.
sir,
Yes, in the
then
insert one, you have to, yes, you have to give the like field name. You have to pass the field name.
like using the curly braces
Yes,
name.
using the curly braces, you have to create an object, pass this. Okay, do it. Do it, it will work. I'm sure.
Hit enter.
Hit enter. Okay. Show me the data.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just add one more field in this document.
Okay.
With the edge, okay, edge, like let's see the subject.
Sorry, sir.
Add a field in this document with subject JavaScript.
Okay.
You have to add the field in this existing document. Okay.
মানে স্যার
মানে এই ডকুমেন্টে তোমাকে একটা ফিল্ড অ্যাড করতে হবে, যে ফিল্ডের নাম হবে সাবজেক্ট, আর সাবজেক্টের ভ্যালু হবে হচ্ছে জাভাস্ক্রিপ্ট। Wait, do not hit enter. Anyone here who was like Megha, I guess. Megha, right?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what will happen if we enter.
I think, sir, new, in previous line, if he has given db kushal dot insert one, the line as insert, I think new line will be insert like PCS and JS subject name.
New line or new document?
Yeah, new document.
Yes, you are right. You are right. Hit enter, Kushal.
yes sir.
Now refresh.
Yes sir, added.
No, I don't want this. I want to update on the first document
Okay.
and
So
want to add subject on the first document, which ID is 1, 2, 3, 4. You should be small. You should be small. Which I mean I already told you which ID will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you're searching with name. Don't know why.
oh,
ID, not object
Under-
ID. You already give the ID. No, not the underscore ID. ID.
no that means
Yes,
the
yes. We using those using that field you created, the ID field. Using the field you created, which is namely ID. I want the document to be updated, which ID is 1, 2, 3, 4.
so sir using the ID means the
That one, yes. Yes.
means
Not underscore ID. ID.
ID and
Which ID is 1, 2, 3, 4.
ID means colon.
Colon. Yes, colon. One, two, three, four, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the problem?
Numlock is deactivated actually.
Okay. Then you specified which document you want to update. Now close the curly bracket. Use comma. Yes. Now add a field.
Okay. Now adding the subject.
Yes. Now add the field subject. Like this. Okay, okay. Do it now. Do it. Let's see what will happen.
Yes. And close the bracket.
Do it. What you wanna do? What is this syntax? What? What you want to do?
Sir, add the new subject.
You just
Field.
forget the set variable. What we are using. But I was used so many times. Delete it. Delete from subject. Delete. Yeah, yes. Use a curl bracket first.
Now dollar sign and
Dollar
set.
sign, dollar set,
And
semicolon. Sorry, colon.
and then
Start one more bracket, curl bracket. Yes. Now add the field subject. And who will close the string for you? Okay. You itself. Okay. Now do it. Complete the syntax. No. Copy is not. You cannot copy over here. Arrow key. Use arrow key. CLS. Use CLS first.
yes, sir. And then
What is going on? Shift and enter. Use shift and enter.
yes, sir. But
Control and enter. Yes. Now do the O arrow. Like arrow. Up arrow.
okay.
Now do it. Clear it and do it properly.
Now,
And who
sir,
will close the wait. Who will close the set curly bracket for you? Yes. You have two open curly bracket and one closing curly bracket. Ki. After JS, give one more curly bracket before closing the update one function. Give one more curly bracket.
so here.
Yes. No, not here. Right arrow key. Go. Before the function closed, you close the function first. Yes. Give a curly bracket. Then close that update one function. Now hit enter. Now refresh.
So it is added.
Okay. So next, who's gonna do? Anyone, like 15 people are watching, just so. Who was the guy? Soma, are you there? Somo? Yeah. Yes, you can share your screen. Share your screen, Asim. Hello.
শিশান্দু কিছু বলছো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
বলো, হয়ে গেছে?
না বললাম যে দুজনেরটা দেখলাম, আর একজনকে দেখিনি, তারপরে আগাচ্ছে।
ওকে, কন্টিনিউ।
ওয়াসিম, share your screen. Share your screen.
Yes, sir, I'm sharing.
No, your screen is not visible. Okay, leave it. Megha, just share your screen. Are you there, Megha? Hello.
Yes, I'm sharing.
Yes, share your screen.
This I have done. I have done the update also.
Okay, you have done the update also. Okay.
Yeah, update
Now,
once I don't.
just I want to see like multiple, how to insert the multiple document.
Multiple.
Yes, insert multiple document.
Is it right, sir?
Let me see. No. Look, when it's many, it's come to many. Okay, so you have to use the array must, and you did not mention an array in your whole like function. So you have to use the array. In array, you have to give the object. This whole thing is an object. On the second bracket, you are saying like name, Megha, subject, Java. This is just an object. Okay. So you have to cover the object with array.
Can I search?
Yes, obviously. Documents.
DB collection, insert many.
Look, insert many, update one, update many, everything is a function. So you cannot omit the function. And you know what is the function keyword? The function keyword is that a parenthesis open and close. So there must be a open parenthesis and a close parenthesis. And then you have to use the array.
After this, I have to use array.
Yes, after this, not after this, after the first parenthesis.
After here.
Yes, here. No, not after the object. You have to enter many object, no? So you have to, yes, you have to put the object in your array. This is the array, then your object, then close the array. Close the array. Yes, in between the array, you can insert, like in Java, you do same. Yes, this is the object. After closing the bracket of object, which is the closing bracket of the object.
Yeah.
This, yes. After this, you have to use comma, and you have to create another object. No. You are by using this, you are going outside of the array. You have to put object. You have to put
Here,
multiple
comma.
object. Yes, you have to put multiple object in the array. Now, yes,
I
create.
can give ID.
No, for the second object, you also have to give the parenthesis for the object, which is the object
Same.
parenthesis. No, parenthesis. Yes, curly braces. Yes.
Now same name and subject.
Yes. Name and subject.
Now it is okay.
Yes. Now just you have to hit enter. Now go to your compass. Look, there will be more two objects. Got it?
Yes.
Yes. Now, JS and JavaScript. Okay. Now, just update the last document. Okay. Update the last document and give the subject name as Java.
This Python I have to update and I have to give Java.
Java, yes.
Update one I have to write.
Yes.
First, I have to select this Python, then I have to change the value.
Yes, you
Like,
can do. You can do how you want to do it. Just you have to update the name from Python to Java. Do it.
Okay, okay. This is right.
Yes, do it. Now check.
Yes, Java.
Now you have to update. Okay. Update to multiple documents using just one command and with the subject Java. Who have the subject Java? Okay.
Hmm.
You have to add one more field. Company name,
Okay.
and yes, to PCS Global. Do it. Let's see how you can do it. No, not one.
Update many.
Yes, update many function. Yes, specify whose subject is Java. Yes.
Java. I have to set the
You have
company
to
name.
yes, you have to set the company name.
Now, sir.
Okay, do it. Look, there is three things. Let's so acknowledge true, match count to, modified to. So
Yes.
yes, your syntax is right. Refresh it.
Yeah,
Look,
PCS.
and on the next one also.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So that's it. Okay. So just next move on to the next topic, and this will be our last topic for today. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now just I am just going to give you assignment in JavaScript because from the next day I am going to start Node.js. Everyone be prepared, and I want the assignment.
Sir, tomorrow class 12.
Yeah, yes, tomorrow class. Before tomorrow class started, you can solve this assignment. Okay.
Tomorrow or next week, sir?
Tomorrow I'll start Node.js.
Sir, MongoDB complete, na?
MongoDB is completed, but in every step of Node.js, you need the MongoDB. Okay.
Mhm.
I'm just going to give you a simple assignment in like for JavaScript rebrushment. You just just have to create a form. Okay. I'm giving the assignment like this. Like you just have to create a form using Bootstrap or using CSS, what you want to do. Bootstrap form. You just have to create a form. Okay. And by entering the value, okay. By entering the value, after you submit the button, I want the output to be shown in a different paragraph first. Then I want to change the color of the paragraph using JavaScript. Got it?
Sir, repeat.
Yes. Like you have to create a form. You have to enter some data in the form. After submitting, the data will be shown to a paragraph tag. And I want, after clicking one more button, I want the paragraph, the data is showing in the paragraph tag. That data's color will be changed. Color should be changed. Okay, you have to do it using CSS. Like JavaScript. Do it using JavaScript. Got it? Tomorrow I want this assignment. If anyone did not finish that assignment, no problem, but try everyone. Then I will start from this one. Then I will go forward. Okay.
Sir,
When we need to submit that, sir?
Before the class started.
Tomorrow's class.
Yes.
How can we?
You can do it now. It's like hardly it will take like 1 hour. Hardly. Yes. Someone is saying something.
sir, can you show us the sample?
Actually, I don't have the prepared sample. Okay, I'm just going to tell you like there will be two data. Okay, two data field. Like one is enter your email, enter your password, or enter your anything name. After clicking the submit button, there will be a paragraph. Okay, and in the paragraph tag, the email you entered and the password you entered will be shown. Okay. That's what we have done on the previous class. And after the paragraph tag, there will be one more button, change color. By using the change color, the paragraph tag color will be changed. Like first, when you enter the submit button, the email abc, for example, abc@gmail.com or password ab1234 will be shown in black color that you already know. But after the change color button, the paragraph color should be changed to red or green, what you want. Got it?
Sir,
Yes.
I have made one thing. I made which you are telling a similar thing I have made. Can I show you?
Yes, share screen.
So this I have made.
Okay. Show me.
When enter your name, this box will occur like I have given violet color. If we do
No,
not click.
do it. Just show me what you have done.
If I accept, form will be refreshed.
No, I don't want the form to be refreshed. I want the data you entered. Okay.
Yes.
We show in your DOM. Okay. And the color of the DOM, like the color of the data you entered should be changed by clicking one more button.
Okay.
Yes, just for your, I'm just showing in Paint.
I
Like-
did one thing similar to that with Angular. Can I show?
No, not in Angular. I want it like
Okay, sir.
there is a form. There is 2 input field. Okay, and 1 submit button. Okay, after clicking the button, let's give here ABC. C @gmail.com and password like ABC123. After clicking the submit button, I want this ABC to be shown over here. ABC @123 @gmail.com, and on the next line ABC123, and there will be one more button which is namely like change color, and after clicking the change color, the color of this will be changed to uh, will be changed to red. Will be changed to red. ABC @gmail.com and ABC123, and the prior one will be deleted, like changed with this. Got it? This will be your final output after clicking the change color button. Got it? And you have to do it with using JavaScript. Both the things you have to do it using JavaScript. The first one is not possible without JavaScript, and also the second one by using the by clicking the button you have to change the color. So you have to use the JavaScript for sure. Got it? Got it, everyone? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So that
Yes,
is
sir.
your
Yes, sir.
that is your assignment for tomorrow, and then we'll start.
Okay, Shishandu, tomorrow training timing will be 12.
12.
Yes, yes. So everybody be ready for tomorrow at 12. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
I'm getting stop session recording.
Yes, yes.